Hey guys, welcome back to Match from my desk. Today I will be solving systems of equations by graphing. Let's go ahead and start. So first we have two equations here. Y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. So this equation over here. And we have y is equal to 3x minus 2. So we know these are in the form y is equal to mx plus b, in which m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So for the first equation, the slope is, which let me just, let's put it in blue. This equation here, the slope is negative 3 and the y-intercept is 4. And for the other equation, let's put it in orange. The slope is 3 and the y-intercept is negative 2. So now let's go ahead and graph this. So let me go ahead and start with the blue. So first the y-intercept is 4, we know that. So that means that the graph at the point 0, 4, it's going to intersect the y-axis. And let me do it for the orange one, or yellow, I really can't tell. So that means that at negative 2, y equals negative 2, we're going to intersect the y-axis. So now let's draw with the slopes. So what's negative 3 as a slope means, it means that we can rewrite negative 3 as negative 3 over 1. So that means that we're going to go down 3 and right 1. And for the yellow / orange, the slope of 3 means we're going to go up by 3 and go right by 1. So let's go ahead and start sketching this. So I'm going to start with the blue. So we're going to go down 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then right 1. So let me just show it this. 1, 2, 3, and then right 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then right 1. And finally again, 1, 2, 3, and then right 1. And now we can do the same with the orange / yellow. So we're going to go up 3 and right 1. So we're going to go up 3. So 1, sorry here. Let me do it with this. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1. So this one is both blue and yellow. Let me just do it like that. And again, 1, 2, 3, 1. And the opposite way, it's going to be down 3 and right 1. And left 1, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 1. So let me sketch these two graphs. So we are going to go this way for the blue graph. And for the yellow / orange graph, we're going to go this way. And the solution to these two equations is over here at x equals 1 and y is equal to 1. And the reason that is because we see that both of these graphs will intersect at that one point. So I can say the solution is that x is equal to 1. So let's move on to the next problem here. So we have x minus y is equal to 3 and 7x minus y is equal to negative 3. So let me write that. Let me first write y equals mx plus b. We see that these are not in the form y equals mx plus b. They are in what we call the standard form, which goes ax plus bx equals c. However, we can convert those to the y equals mx plus b form. So let's go ahead and do that. So, sorry here. So let me put green for x minus y is equal to 3. And let me put blue for 7x minus y is equal to negative 3. So if we have x minus y is equal to 3 and we want to reach y equals mx plus b, we're simply going to go ahead and we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1 first. So we get y minus x is equal to negative 3. And then I'm going to add x to both sides. So I have y is equal to x plus 3. Sorry, y is equal to x minus 3.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Could you restate the question?
Sorry, that was Siri over there. And now in blue, let me deactivate Siri quick. Okay, it's deactivated. Now in blue, 7x minus y is equal to negative 3. So let's go ahead and solve for that. And y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1 so that I can make the y positive. So now I have y minus 7x is equal to 3. Now I can add 7x to both sides. And I get y is equal to 7x plus 3. So let me go ahead and circle these two. And let me write them here. Now I can finally go ahead and graph those. So we know that m is the slope and b is the y-intercept in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's find the slope for the green line. So m is equal to, we see a 1 here, so m is 1, and b is negative 3. And for the blue, I can say that m is 7, and b is positive 3. So let's go ahead and sketch the blue graph first. So the y-intercept is 3, so that means that the line is going to intersect the y-axis at y equals 3. And now we know the slope is 7. So that what that means is that we're going to go up by 7. And we're going to go right by 1. So if we go the opposite way, so that means that we're going to go down by 7 and left by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And that's really all I can graph, I think. That's all I think I can graph right now. So let me just go ahead and do the green for now. So at the green, the y-intercept is at negative 3. And we have a slope of positive 1. So that means that we're going to go up 1, right 1. So like this, and then like this. So let's start from the bottom here. So that means we're going to go down 1, left 1. So it's also going to be here. Same principle, down 1, left 1. Then up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. So let me just go ahead and do that all at once. So if we sketch the two graphs, I can already tell they're going to intersect at x equals negative 1 and y equals negative 4. But I'm just going to go ahead and sketch the graphs. This is a rough sketch for the blue graph since I don't have a lot of data points. And we know that at this point over here, which I'm going to do in white, so at the point negative 1, negative 4, they intersect. So I can say that the solution is x is equal to negative 1. And thank you guys for watching this video.